Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. With the island possessing 52% of the globe's medicinal plants, Jamaica needs to act quickly to get a piece of the action in a global nutraceutical industry estimated to worth $500 billion. Now that's a word from scientist and businessman Dr. Henry Lowe, who was guest speaker at the closing ceremony for Scotiabank's Vision Achievers Program, a mentorship program for small business owners.
Why do we need that? $500 billion is the business of nutraceuticals in the world. $500 billion US dollars. That's the extent of the business. Yet Jamaica is not in it. I started the development and the scientific basis for it, and we are now having big exports. I want to see this grow, because if we continue doing the traditional things of exporting raw materials, we'll never be anything. I mean, right now, even look at the cannabis industry. What everybody is focused on is extracting and exporting. They're also looking at continuing the illicit trade, which will be finished in no time. And when the world wakes up and realizes that there's a medicinal benefit and component to cannabis, and everybody gets in there, we have no more business, because why should anybody worry about it?
Gains by heavily traded and resurgent Kaylee, as well as blue chips, Jamaica Producers and NCB Financial Group mitigated losses by a slew of mainly financial stocks, resulting in modest gains in the combined index and the main JC index. The select index declined. The combined index advanced by 167 points, or 0.06%, while the main JC index gained 92 points, or 0.04%. The Jamaica Select Index declined by 65 points, or 0.04%. Now, 51 stocks traded, with 17 advancing, 25 declining, and 9 holding firm. Kaylee Group accounted for over 32% of the 7.1 million shares traded. Winners included Berger Paints, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Financial Services, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, Salada Foods, Scotia Investments, and Supreme Ventures. The losers included Barita, Caribbean Cement, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Kingston Wharves, Main Events, Margaritaville Turks, Proven Investments, Scotia Group, Sagicor Group Jamaica, Stationery and Office Supplies, and T-Tech Limited. On the foreign exchange market, all three regularly traded international currencies weakened against the Jamaican dollar Monday. The benchmark American dollar slipped 5 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $128.45 Jamaican, while the Canadian dollar lost 38 cents Jamaican to close at an average selling rate of $102.12 Jamaican. Sterling plummeted by $1.26 Jamaican at an average selling rate of $164.89. Now finally, on signs that global markets are starting to rebalance from chronic oversupply, oil prices fell nearly 2% today. International benchmark Brent crude futures settled down 2%, or $1.06 at $51.66 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures ended down $1.14 a barrel, or 2.4%, at $47.37 a barrel. The September contract expires tomorrow, Tuesday. Now, both contracts had risen 3% on Friday, and traders said the day's action was marked by profit-taking. Commodity Futures Trading Commission data showed last Friday that U.S. hedge funds and money managers have reduced bets on rising prices in recent weeks. U.S. oil prices have been on the upswing since bottoming out near $43 a barrel mid-June, though the market has not been able to sustain a rally above $50 a barrel. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.